A very good morning, students. Like previous year, this year also, we have planned to give you online classes. Some of the stuff which is really very important that we are going to discuss right from the beginning. This is the first chapter of your book Vistas. As you can see, this is the book Vistas. So yesterday I had taken Zoom class. In that class also, I told about the author and what was the theme of this story. That everything we had discussed, but unfortunately only two students were there. Students, this is in your hand how you grab this opportunity, because we can provide you only online class due to this pandemic, and you will not be having any offline class. Because of that, all the teachers they force you, okay, and request you to attend all the classes, Zoom classes, and whatever the video lessons you are sent, you have to watch them. Okay, so as I told you that whatever the story we will be discussing in our video lesson and or in Zoom class, first we will discuss about the author, because sometimes what happens, there is a question comes in board exam also, that write something about the author of the lesson, the third level. Okay, just for example I am telling you, don't expect that this the same question will come. So the third level author is Jack Finney. So this Jack Finney is his name, pen name. But in the beginning, what was he? He was Walter Braden, and he was an American author. His best known works are science fiction and thrillers, including The Body Snatchers and Time and Again. Jake was born on 2nd October 1911. So Jack's date of birth easily you can write, because this is the birth date of our father of nation, Mahatma Gandhi. Okay, so you can easily remember this date, that he was born on 2nd October 1911 and died on 14th November 1995. That means he was sorry, not very old. Okay, old writer, but in recent years he passed away. He received World Fantasy Award, that was life achievement. Okay, after his father's death, he was renamed Walter Braden Finney in honor of his father, but continued to be known as Jack. So this was the small introduction of this writer, this author, and I hope whatever I have told you will write in your copy. See, students, you think that it is all fun going on during this pandemic, okay, and you will be given relaxation. Of course, you are given some sort of relaxation from the board as well from the government, but this cannot help you to increase your knowledge. Knowledge is something which is different thing. Okay, when this pandemic, COVID, everything will means pass, then you will think that what you had learned all these years. Okay, because this is the time when students they can read many other books also, they can increase their knowledge. And as I told you that this time we will work on your vocab also. For your vocab I will make you write few few words. I'll make you write few notes, of course. Okay, so please listen it, and tell your friends also, motivate them also to read the lesson, because this time whole year we had only online class, and when we conducted pre-board for 12th standard students, they did not perform very well as per my expectation. As I had explained each and every single line to them. I was expecting that those students who are coming regularly after 19th October, they will surely, okay, do something different from those who were sitting back at home even when classes were continuing. But no one, because the reason is that you focus particularly on other subjects, like you think math and science, if you can get score good marks or highest percentage. But if in English, in language, means either you have English, computer, physical, and Hindi. So these subjects also, okay, help you to score good percentage, to maintain good score. So listen to your teachers, especially language teachers, not only English, Hindi as well, okay, those who have Hindi. So means whatever lessons I never told, even when we were conducting online class, that time also, my dear students, I told you, don't learn after class. I try my level best to explain each and every single chapter in such a way that in class itself you will learn it and you will understand the concept, you will understand the theme and the story, summary, everything. And afterwards, if you will be asked any question based on that particular chapter, you will be able to tell or able to write all the answers in such a very wonderful way. But unfortunately, some of you do not take your teachers seriously. You think their work is to explain, and what is your work remains done. You do not pay attention. Okay, there is your harm. Okay, because teachers, if any examiner who checks your copy at home in comfort, and they read each and every single line, okay, then surely, because you people make lots of mistakes, that's why I am going to give you this time grammar classes also, means vocab classes also. Okay, so what is the summary? If we see, if we just put a glance, have a glance of this story, so that is the third level, okay, is written by Jack Finney. This story basically deals with the irreversible, harsh consequences of war. So, war took place that time, Second World War. A war leaves people witnessing it in a state of insecurity and fear. It is about modern day problems, and this time you can very well understand the psychological, mentally disturbance of the author of this character Charlie in this lesson, because after the war he had some sort of fear of means economical fear of losing job, fear of losing family. So many things were there going on in his mind. Like this time when COVID is going on, we also have lots of means things together going on in our mind. We also think that what would happen if for next 2 months or 3 months there will be lockdown, how people will survive, business will go in loss. So these things they take us in some third level. Okay, we start imagining things when everything will be good, like Ram Rajya aayega, like this we start thinking. Okay, so this was the insecurities, a state of insecurity and fear. It is about modern day problems, uncertainties and stress which everybody wants to escape. This writer, not only this writer, even we also, we want to escape from this problem. It is a story of a 31-year-old man named Charlie and his psychological conditions, in which the now I am introducing a new word in this summary, that is hallucinates. Hallucinates means when a person he imagines which cannot be true, which is no more now. Okay, एक भ्रम पैदा होना. So that was the state of mind of this man Charlie. So he means he hallucinates and visits a third level of Grand Central Station, which has only two levels. The story is very important and it describes different states of mind of a insecure person. So I want you to write down few important words, means from here we'll start increasing vocab. So I have told you that we'll work on your means I especially work on your vocab also this time. So I shall end this video here because time is increasing and it will be very much difficult for me to upload this on Educare app. Okay, so on next one we'll definitely have Zoom class, and in Zoom class whatever we have discussed today we will discuss then also. We have plenty of time. Each and every line I want you to learn, means to understand, not learn. Learning is different thing. You should understand the concept. Okay, be healthy, be at home, don't go out. Okay, and keep on sanitizing your hands. Okay, if you come in contact with any object or any other person. Till then, goodbye, have a nice day.